Hello young guys, good morning. You are welcome in the zoology class organized by Society of Career Technology. Today we will talk about nuclear pore complex. You know that in all cells one or more than one nuclei are found, and when we observe by electron microscope, this nucleus has been found to be covered by a double nuclear membrane, a space in between which is called nuclear envelope. Inside there is nucleoplasm and chromatin and one or sometimes more than one nucleolus. At certain places some nuclear pores are found. These nuclear pores are very important, and today we will talk about these nuclear pores, that what is their role in intracellular trafficking. Now we can see nuclear pore both in a surface view and in a lateral view. In a lateral view we can see here that these two nuclear membranes enclosing a nuclear envelope, and the nuclear pore also contains a central plug, and this plug is connected by both ends of the nuclear membrane by 8 spokes. So of course there is a pore, but normally it is kept plugged by a central plug, and just below the nuclear membranes there is one more structure called nuclear lamina. This nuclear lamina makes a network-like structure, meshwork-like structure connected with this nuclear pore complex. Here you can see the central plug, the nuclear membrane. Along with it, in this pore, two ring-like annuli are found, one below and one above. So this is first annuli, upper annuli and lower annuli, and these are the spokes which connect the central plug with the nuclear membrane. The space in between these two is 80 nanometers, and here the space is 120 nanometer. In a surface view we can see here the central plug surrounded by 8 spokes, and sometimes but not always on the cytoplasmic side 8 pores are found. It is supposed that these are inactive ribosomes. It is interesting to note that during every cell division after late prophage, nuclear membrane dissolves and again reappears in telophage stage. But the nuclear lamina remains as such. It also helps to connect the chromatin, outer layer of the chromatin network. It remains connected with this nuclear pore complex, and this nuclear pore complex helps in transport of molecules from outside into the nucleus and from nucleus to the outside. You know that the nucleus contains some specific proteins, DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase and histones. Although they are synthesized in the cytoplasm, but they are transported through this nuclear pore complex, brought inside the nucleus. It has also been observed that number of nuclear pores is directly proportional to the transcriptional activity of a cell. So in if in any cell there is much more transcriptional activity, for example, amphibian oocytes, number of nuclear pore complexes has been found to be much more. It also has been found that this nuclear lamina is made up of 3 types of proteins: lamin 1, lamin 2, lamin 3, and they help in binding with the chromatin network. So this is about nuclear pore complex. Thank you very much.